Guys, and today I'm back with another YouTube video. Open from, well, actually, you guys, the slime is in the freezer. What we use is Dove body wash. Put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Yeah. Hey, Lisa. Lisa, I'm doing the video. Ah! Don't post it on me.
The solar system's going to be there forever.
You did not even
Easy
show
money
your...
like this doesn't come along often.
So, yeah. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel, you guys. So, sorry guys, I haven't been filming videos. And why? It's because I've been busy. And comment down below, you guys.